If you're a coach, consultant, course creator, and your coach has told you to post 4 times a day, and you've been at it, you've been doing the reel, you've been doing the announcement, you've been doing the value, and maybe you got lucky and you booked a couple of calls and you got those people to speak to in the DMs, and you're facing massive distrust. No one's buying from you. You're booking calls, but there's no conversion about to solve that problem for you for the next 3-4 minutes. So, you've been at it for a while, and it's beginning to bear its burden. And maybe you're beginning to wonder to yourself or to others, well, I haven't seen much difference. I don't particularly enjoy content creation. Here's the deal. You've been told to post consistently again and again and again so that you keep popping up on people's feeds, and so people keep seeing you. The problem with this is you haven't been told what to post. Think about that annoying pop-up on Instagram or Facebook or whatever platform you're on. If it keeps popping up, do you think you all of a sudden decide to buy from it, or do you think you block it? Do you want to increase your chances of being that pop-up vis-a-vis your favorite influencer that you follow, and you look forward to their videos, and you look forward to when the new video drops? Here's how you do it, because that's where the SDT model comes in. And so what you don't want to be is top of funnel fluff, reels upon reels upon reels upon reels upon reels, because I'll tell you why. Let's say you're a self-confidence coach and you talk about confidence all the time, but someone goes to your profile and all they see are pictures of your dog, announcements about how cool you are. You're not adding value. It's boring. You're being a consumer. And so the STT model is show, don't tell. And if you look at your profiles, boys and girls, you are telling people why they should work with you. You are spelling things out. Oh, I have 30 years of experience, that's why you should buy from me. You are talking at people. And most people talk up to people. Some people even talk down to people. You're pathetic, you should do this, that, or talking up to people. You are beautiful, you are wonderful, you deserve all the... No! You talk with people. It is a conversation. Think of your content as an ongoing conversation. Now, how do you use the SDT method? Instead of telling someone you sabotage your diet because you're talking to them, you talk about waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, going to the fridge and finishing up those last 3 slices of pizza because you couldn't bear the hunger. And so when you show instead of telling, you show your authority, you show your experience, you show that you know your prospect better than they know themselves. Because boys and girls, you are the brand. You are not building a brand, you are the brand, and you don't become a brand by telling people. Nike doesn't tell people to think of speed and comfort and excellence. Nike makes people feel a certain way. You do not make people feel a certain way by telling them how cool you are. You don't make people feel a certain way by putting on a suit, acting all hoity-toity, and hoping and expecting people to buy from you. You don't expect people to buy from you if you talk about alignment and embodiment and trauma. You showcase your authority. You give them something that helps them. Every time you make a piece of content, you want to use these frameworks. You want to check the piece of content to see, is it you projecting yourself, like overcompensating? Let's say you're insecure about your face. Are you overly editing your piece of content? Because I've seen confidence coaches do that. Let's say you had a download and you're super inspired and you want to put it out there. Is it helping your people? Is it helping your people, or is it you just expunging onto the world? Because that's not what your format is for. That's not what your platform is for. And the last rule that you want to use is, if you saw your own piece of content, would you scroll past it because it's too boring? Would you roll your eyes because you thought the influencer was showing off? Or would you actually stop and read and listen to the video or read the text they've written, because it'll change your life? Show, don't tell. I hope this helps you. I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one. Boys and girls, enjoy your week. Take care. Bye-bye.